TCL, thanks a lot. No, we're not being sarcastic. Thank you. We enjoy samples, and we very much enjoy that you sent this to us. This is the TCL NextPaper 12 Pro. It has a paper-like display in that it is preset with a certain list of parameters that makes it look like paper, although don't get ahead of yourself, this is still an LCD screen. It has an octa-core processor, Android 12, 8 gigs of RAM, 256 gigs onboard storage, and it also features quad speakers. And it comes with a pen, so let's crack it open. The TCL line of devices has been confusing to say the least. We don't even know if this one's actually using the same NextPaper technology as the other ones because, well, it doesn't really say on the box that this is running the full color ePaper parameters, we'll say. So let's check it out all the same. You have a nice cardboard box. It's very thick, very nice cardstock to protect the unit itself because this is basically just pressed right up against the edge of the box. And let's see, oh, that's a huge camera bump. We got such a huge camera bump, it goes into the depths. We should have a dual side, unless this is just a spacer. Nope, that is something. So we'll check this out all the same. We have a European plug. I believe that's European, it might be Australian. And we have a USB-C, nothing else in this box. What is in here? Do we have a stylus? We do have a stylus pen, that's right. Now, you know, they have the T pen and the E pen. So I'm wondering which one this is, and if it's the same. Oh my goodness, this is different. This is not the same as the one that came in the 11. We're going to see if there's any crossover compatibilities or if this works with Wacom or something, because this looks drastically different than the other one. The other one had a USB-C charger on the side. This one doesn't seem to have any charger whatsoever, and it doesn't break off to reveal a battery, and it's very lightweight, so I don't believe there's even a quadruple A battery in here. We're going to check into that all the same. And you have contact centers for multiple countries and your safety and warranty information, as well as your SIM card / your SD card removal door tool. Let's put that all off to the side and check out the unit. Actually, let's look at the pen. So the pen is a solid build. It has a single button and a protruding tip that wiggles quite drastically. Actually, that doesn't seem like it's really in there, but it could just be the way that it is styled, so it gives you a flexible experience. I'm not really sure. So we have this little thing on the side that I believe we take off, and with that should come the entire screen protector. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. Nope, it looks like it's just a strip. So we'll take that off, and that just gives you a little bit of an outline of what everything is. Now there's a camera there, and I think there's a camera there. That's obviously a camera, and unless they're doing some sort of stereoscopic 3D, I'm not sure why it would be so off-center. Maybe it's more portrait biased, I'm not entirely sure. 2 speakers on that side, 2 speakers on that side. I believe we have dual microphones as well. We have volume up and down, and this one, unlike the 11, has a pogo pin with 2 line-up tracks, so the little pins go in there so as to not make any mistakes as to where your keyboard goes. And you have a huge camera bump, this kind of triple tier birthday cake kind of thing with a flash package, and the back is, whoa, much tighter than the 11. This is a very nice build, very tight, very good build. This is a huge screen. I believe it's 12.1, 12 point something. It's well over 12 inches. This is a very nice looking screen. Let's do a first time boot up to kind of see if they have a lot of that NextCare iCare technology built into this. Alright, so the screen looks exactly like the 11, and you get the NextVision app, which has every single thing that the 11 had, including the color mode, temperature, the gamma correction, and everything else. So this one is not saying that it has a full color electronic paper display, EPD, but it has the exact same application that's built in, which is the proprietary applications that TCL gives you, NextVision, in which you can change image 256, you can change video enhancement, reading mode, which changes it into black and white. So a lot of the exact same things that we saw on the ePaper version is on this one, but this one doesn't say on the box. So we're a little bit confused as to what is going on, but that's what we're here for. We're going to be doing reviews, we're going to be doing a whole bunch of stuff on all of these units, everything that comes across the desk. We appreciate the process, we respect the process, and we get things done. For now, everyone, this is everything that comes in the box with the TCL NextPaper 12 Pro. Stay tuned for a full review and more information to come.